spectacular, fabulous, dazzling. Karen! Karen!
Hello?
Do you know the meaning of fabulous, spectacular, and dazzling?
Why, use a dictionary, Ingo.
Dictionary? Tatlo lang naman eh.
Ingo, you should not depend on other people to find the meaning of words. Look it up in the dictionary.
But Karen...
Ingo, what is the use of your dictionary if you are not going to use it? Now, go get your dictionary.
Karen, gave the dictionary away the other day.
What?
It was just collecting dust. There are no pictures, no stories. I remember using it only once, so I gave it away.
Why, Ingo?
Well, Kuya Nestor needed one, so...
Like you do not need one? Like right now? Ingo, you need the dictionary to find out the meaning of words you do not understand. You know, words like fabulous, spectacular, dazzling.
Please do not get angry at me, Karen.
I am not angry at you, Ingo, but I will not help you now. You better go get that dictionary back.
I cannot do that anymore. Kuya Nestor already left for Manila.
What? Well, you have a problem.
Yes, what a big problem. If I do not find out the meaning of fabulous, spectacular, and dazzling, how can I help a really good cause? You see, there is a big event. They need to raise money to help build a library for our barrio.
Wow, to build a library? I know 2 people who own a dictionary.
Really? Who? Tell me, Karen. Tell me so I can go now and borrow from them.
Aling Antonia and Aling Fernanda.
Karen? Oh, they are very strange. All their students and the other children say they eat people. There must be somebody else who owns a dictionary.
Oh, eat people? Of course not, Ingo. That is a very rude thing to say about people, especially teachers like Aling Antonia and Aling Fernanda.
No, Karen, they look like...
They look like they are the only ones who can help you. Come on, let us go and see them now.
No, Karen, what if they eat us? You, Karen, you! What if they eat you?
No, of course not, Ingo. Now, come on!
Do you have a new word in mind? A word, the meaning of which you cannot find? Then do not worry. I am a dictionary. Always very handy.
I need to find the meaning of the word. This word.
Magnificent! Look up the word in me. Read the first letter, then see. They are all arranged alphabetically. All the words are grouped and arranged like the ABC. If you think it is confusing, finding the word you are looking has more than one meaning. Just continue reading, you will see it is really interesting. Do I have to say, hey, I can show you the proper way? How words are pronounced? What do you say? Magnificent. Magnificent. I can show you the difference, how words are used in a sentence. You will see everything makes sense. Reading a book is a magnificent way of learning new words. Our country has magnificent places to see and visit.
Thank you so much, dictionary.
This world will get there if we know